Oh, here's something familiar to you all. Yes, I'm finally getting round to moving the wiper motor. I dropped one of those little washers and the rubber washer. I found the washer underneath the car. Let me show you where the rubber washer ended up. Here. There's my car. That fucker rolled all the way here. Don't you fucking believe it. Oh, all right, I have moved the wiper motor. Now the trick is to get my ass in here and install various pieces. Now, one of the first things we have to do is slide this on here. Okay, now what we got to do is get one of these beasties placed on the connections over here. You may not see this one, but you'll certainly see it when I do this one. And this is not the easiest of things to do, but we'll get there. So undo the screws on the back here. Hopefully you can see that, these screws. Nuts. All hazelnuts. Cadbury's take 'em and they cover them in chocolate. Old commercial. What was the other one? Everybody's a fruit and nut case. Crazy for those Cadbury's nuts and raisins. You'll have to excuse me, I'm an idiot. Now, we go up that way, or do we go up that way? Let me see. Yeah, okay, Gary. So which way up does it go? Hang on, let me try it over here. Let's see. Ah, bugger. Well, of course, the holes are, shit. I should have known better. My holes have got filler and stuff in them. That just chipped the paint off there. Fuck, for want of a better word. Alright, let me get a file and clean those holes out, and then I'll come back. Oh dear. Now, in order to get this in, you have to put it in and turn it. And do note it goes with the running part for the cable at the bottom. So we put it in here. It's not easy, it's kind of fiddly. Tell you what, let me get this out of the way. Give me a bit more room to play with. There we go. And now we can turn it and put it through. We now have the correct angle with that piece. Then install the rubber sealing ring, then the little chrome piece, and it's all really rather obvious how it all goes. Then grabbing your nut, slip the nut on, spin it up finger tight, make sure the seal's in the right place, grab your trusty 3/4 spanner, pinch it up, being careful not to damage your paintwork. Now I did, in all honesty, damage my paintwork here when I pushed that through originally because I hadn't filed the hole out, and that's a warning for you all. Whenever you're going to install stuff on a newly painted car, always clean out the hole first. Just like, no, don't say it, Gary. You are a bad boy, you mustn't say naughty things like that, you'll get in big trouble. You know what you were thinking, and so does everybody else. Okay, so that's on there now. Now I can rest this on here, but it's not in the right position yet. And one of the reasons is it's so fucking awkward to do. Okay. Now one of the tricks that you gotta do is get, and this is really the tricky bit, is getting this to line up. Yeah, you can get the tube to line up, but getting the cable to line up in the teeth there. Not the easiest. Sorry, someone's texting me. And I must admit I'm having difficulty getting this in. I did. Now, as you're all aware, I initially put the wiper motor channel in up through here, which was totally wrong. And somebody informed me of that, fortunately. So now I'm making my second mistake. And I assumed, wrongly, that, you know, I'll just put the thing back in where it should be, put the wiper motor gear boxes in and connect it up. Well, you can't do it that way. What you have to do, and I'm happy to be corrected if I'm wrong on this, guys, but I don't think I am. What you have to do is have the wiper motor loose and feed it through, and as you feed it through, you have these gearboxes already mounted, and then you feed this through and it turns the spindle or the gearbox, whatever you want to call it. It turns it as you push it through. It is not possible just to push it in there. And when you think about it, maybe that's sensible, I don't know. I would have thought they could have devised it so that when you put on the second piece, the cover, it holds it all in place, but I guess I'm wrong. So now what I've got to do is undo the wiper motor again, loosen it, somehow support it, because that bugger's heavy and you don't want it pulling everything back. And what I will do is I'm going to put a large blanket in the engine bay so I don't scratch my engine bay paint. Let me get on to that, and then I'll show you. What will I show you? Me feeding it through, I guess. I'll be back. Righty. Gosh, this is, I tell you what, this is a fucking pain in the ass job. Must have been fun in the factory. Now, I have disconnected the wiper motor, so now it is free to move. I have placed these little gearboxes in position, so now I should be able to feed the cable through and get it to turn. There it goes, not forgetting to put in this tube, otherwise I'm going to regret it. And of course it's, oh jeez. Alright, come on along now, Morton. There we go. Now we're feeding in, and oh, see, I've done it already. Fucking pain in the ass job. Alright, rewind, because I'm an idiot. Get the tube in first. Right, now feed it. God. Right, now I've got to pull it. No, I don't mean a little chicken. Ha! Pull it, little chicken. All right, so now what I'm going to do is go under the hood, move the wiper motor. Move the wiper motor up so that the cable feeds through and catches this one. Right at the moment, this pipe is catching the cog, and that is not acceptable. And so is this one, by the looks of it. Why? Oh my God! Why? It can't be too long. Well, this one's obviously not caught, so it needs to come a gnat's cock this way. Yeah, there's a groove there that it should go in, and it's pretending it's too long. Oh no, don't you fucking dare. Don't you tell me this is another fucked up reproduction part. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Now that, hang on. That's in the correct place there. It has no choice. It is in the right spot. This one is now probably 1/8 of an inch too long. And the spindles they're stuck, they can't go any other way. I'm looking at this in vain hope that something could move. All right, let me just see. Maybe if I loosen these nuts, I can gain enough room. We'll see. Give me a second. Right, I've now loosened these two nuts and it looks as if I've gained that little bit I need. Whew, what a job, huh? Okay, I know you learn as you go, but whew. Alright, now let me try pushing the cable through. God, I'm going to have to do a hell of a lot of editing on this. And I'll tell you, climbing in and out this fucking car like an old man, a bastard. What do you mean? You are an old man. Yeah, I know, I am. Can't help it. Alright, now let me come and check. Now you could have told me if it had come through. Or that it dropped off. Fucking hell, spells. Alright. A bit more, huh? What do you think? No, 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 don't you do that. Getting closer. Aha! Yeah, it appears. Let me try and show you. There. It is there. All we need to do is make sure it stays there. Ooh. For some reason it's not happy. Give me a second. I'm not happy either. We're getting there. Okay, that appears to be lined up now. Okay. Fuck me. Alright, I think now before I go any further, so nothing else falls out, I'm going to put this one on, this cap. Pain in the ass job this is. I see I've forgotten something already. Fuck! What did I forget? I know what I've forgotten. All I've got to do is find it. Oh, there it is. This little piece of tubey. Oh. Goes there. Why doesn't this fit? Because you put it up the wrong way, you prick. Try that again, shall we? Duh. Man, oh man. Now, I've got to try and just see if this is lined up properly in here. Should now close up. Should be able to put this nut on, but of course it's going to be so fucking awkward there. Christ. Lucky I'm not religious, otherwise I'd have been struck down 1,000 times by now, just working on this car. Come on, devil, help me. Oh, my back's killing me. Oh, I gotta get some relief. Fucking hell, pals. Alright, that's lined up, that's lined up. Now let me go get a... Oh, fuck. Yeah, let me get a fuck. I'll be back, more editing. Now, in this video, you're hearing lots of grunting and groaning because I'm having to climb in and out the bloody car. However, when I'm editing, if things suddenly stop and go rather strange, don't worry, it's just that I decided you didn't want to hear me fucking swearing anymore. Right, it's a 5/16 nuts, by the way. Like me, it's nuts. Okay, so that's done. That's done. I think I can tighten this one up now, which is the 3/4. And I wouldn't be surprised if I have to trim the wiper arm grommet seal, whatever you want to call it, because it overlaps, I think, the windscreen. Okay, right, that's that done tight now. Now what I need to do is move in the wiper shaft and move the wiper motor into its correct position. So I'm off to do that. Don't go away. Okay, so I really want to get that in a bit further to there. Right, now I can put on this other clamp. Don't you fucking believe it? The nut was stuck to it, but as soon as I reached for it, it dropped. Oh, I bet it's gone somewhere I can't fucking reach it on. Let's just see. Yeah, there it is, it's gone. Oh, there it is, fuck me. No, that's not it. The rivet head. Yeah, the fucking thing's disappeared. It just dropped into this footwell and it ain't fucking there. Jesus fucking Christ. I don't fucking believe this. Hell! Okay, I'm not doing this for a customer. I'm going to charge him 10 hours just to fit this bloody thing. Fuck's sake! Would they use a different thread? I don't fucking believe it! Fucking well did. I used a different fucking thread. You cunts. So I dropped one, as you know. There you go, I dropped another one. And I thought I'd use a nut off the original. They're a different fucking thread. You assholes. Reproduction shit. Now I'm going to spend more time trying to find this bloody thing or see if my jar's got one. Crap! Straight on. Okay, well, I found that nut, the missing nut. You won't believe it, it went under the car and over to the passenger side. It must have gone down through here somehow. God knows how. I mean, it was here, in line, straight drop, you know, would be there, but no. All right, so everything is in now, well, pretty much everything. Gearboxes are in. You saw the ridiculous way I had to do it, and that's the ridiculous way you'll have to do it. As I said, with these seals here, they'll probably have to be trimmed off when the windshield screen seal is put in. The one last thing I have to do now is to put this motor, wherever it is hiding, that beastie there, put this back up on the firewall, and then we are done with the wiper motor for the moment. Why for the moment? Because it's not wired. And we're going to have to sort that out. And these wires are all different lengths, which I don't like, so I'm probably going to have to change those, but that's another day, another story. It's late now, so I'm going to start editing this video. I did want to put in the bonnet release cable today, but that ain't fucking happening. So, well, let's get this video going. You know what you got to do. Get out in that garage, do some shit, and I sincerely hope you don't have as much fucking trouble as I did today. Thanks for watching. Speak to you guys. See you guys. I won't see you. You'll see me again later. Oh boy. All these boxes full of shit. Lots of stuff to do. Alright, let's get on with it.